Welcome. In today's lesson, we're going to be discussing A/B testing, which is a concept you need to be very familiar with because it's just another one of those essential things that you need to be using within any kind of marketing that you're doing to get the most profitable results. A lot of people think they know what good marketing is, but we're all biased, right? We all have our blind spots. And in creating marketing campaigns, we're just not aware of them. And so what we think will be really effective or really profitable can often be lackluster because we don't really understand our customers as much as we can, or we're just missing something. So A/B testing is really a process of seeing what works, creating more of what works, and then just repeating the process, right? So once you have your filter account set up, you have those 4 emails going out, you have a good amount of people or emails within your audience, and you've also transferred to your cream of the crop account, and you have a good amount of the audience there, we can start getting to A/B testing. And what I want you to do is just open up all the campaigns, including the automation emails that you send out, and give everything a look. This is for both accounts now. So again, for us, we're doing MailChimp and we're doing SendGrid. But if you have it set up on Sendinblue or whatever account it is, open up all the accounts, automation and your single sends, and just what are the most effective emails that you've sent out, right? So let's take a look here. Just kind of going down the list. We're just looking at the percentages here. Well, that's automation. So let's say these are the single sends that we sent out, just percentage-wise. These are obviously going to be a lot lower because this is our filter account, but it's still insightful, right? So we have Okay, here's one. 11%. Okay, that's pretty good. I think we can get a little higher though. So our spring sale, customer list targeting, 11.77%, not bad. CBD chiropractor is not bad. That was just a email for a email that was sent at the wrong time. So 15%. Okay, now we're talking, right? So this email has the highest open rate out of any of our other emails. What is it about this email that is unique? Let's give a look. And now we'll give a look on our main account as well. Get 2 or 3 of your highest opening emails together from each of your accounts and compare them. Okay, what are the emails about? Is there anything that matches, right? So let's just say you have 5 or 6 of these emails from your 2 accounts, and 2 of them are about a certain topic, or 2 of them are for a certain sale that you had, or 2, what are the commonalities? That's very telling, right? So if you have 5 of your top emails of all time as far as open rates go, and 2 of them are about your 25% off sale, to create more emails like that, create more offerings like that, to figure out how you can change the ad copy, improve the images, and what you want to do. I mean, ideally, if time allows, create 5 emails that are variations of that 25% off offering or whatever offering is giving you the best results, and send that to your audience in segments. So let's say you have 5,000 people in your segment, send to 1,000, one of those emails from each of those 5 to 1,000 each, right? And then compare the results. There's setups within all these email managers that allow you to do a type of A/B testing, and they're pretty good, but you can't really do A/B testing across like 5 emails. I think maybe with like the really high premium accounts, it allows you more access, but really I just, I never really had great results with that. Really what I generally do is I just will create a series and then send that out in segments of my overall audience, right? And this can be, what's great about the filter account is that it's great for doing that sort of testing, right? You could do a series of sales that are sent only to people that have not engaged with your emails yet. So some of them are going to open up that email. Some of them are going to purchase from you. Many won't. Your open rates aren't going to be great, but that's also going to have people that open your emails and now they're engaged with your emails, and if they continue to be subscribed, then they could be transferred to your main account, right? So there's a lot of possibilities here. Really what you want to do is just continue to create a process where all of your campaigns are part of an A/B process or A/B testing process where you're looking at the best results, you're creating more of the best results, you're testing those results. Whatever does the best out of those, you create more of those sort of results. And you also want to, on occasion, throw in new sort of content, right? So if you see, it's your Christmas sale, okay, and then you have another email that's not related to that in any way, throw in an email about your Christmas sale within that A/B testing to kind of see how that stacks up against the other emails that you're sending out. But it's all about creating segments within your audience and testing it. And if you have a large list already with a lot of different segments coming into this, tailor that to each of those segments as much as possible. So if you have a list of business owners for a particular industry, tailor the text and the images to that industry as much as possible. Hey, so-and-so business owner, and just really dial in as much as possible. For your previous customers, make sure you're including their first name. It's all about targeting. Targeting equals conversions. Like the more you can speak directly to your audience and give them value and content that they're looking for, the higher your conversions are going to be. Have that mindset. Don't have a mindset of pushing your products or pushing a sale or offering these large discounts. It's all about targeting. It's all about offering value. And that comes from understanding your customer as much as possible, right? And the way that you really dial this in and the way that you make up for anything that you're missing is continuous A/B testing. So always looking at your campaigns and figuring out how you can improve. And this doesn't just apply to emails. This applies across the board to any email marketing or any marketing efforts that you're doing. So, you have a landing page. There's within most website builders, there's the ability to A/B test. This is the result of ongoing A/B testing. We used to have a landing page for Marketing Mastery that was much longer, had a lot more content, offered a lot more information. We A/B tested that against a shorter page with certain ad copy and against all these other pages. Turns out this one delivers the best in the form of conversions. Testing that, testing different offerings, testing different products that you're offering in your campaign. So different discounts. You'd be surprised at how recently did a campaign where 27% off delivered by far a higher conversion rate to the same audience. I don't know why, that shouldn't stand out that much compared to 25% or even a higher discount to I don't know if it was going against 50%, but it was some much higher number. 27% just stood out for people for whatever reason. We would have never known that unless we tested that sort of campaign, right? So really, this is the whole process of going through all of your emails, looking at the numbers, seeing what the open rates are, and with your main account, also have Google Analytics attached to your main account, so that way you can actually track sales. If people are opening your emails but they aren't actually buying anything, then consider not creating more of those types of emails. Now, that wouldn't apply to your initial filter account, those initial 4 or 5 emails that are being sent out, because that's really just about building value. But ongoing, you want to make sure that you're always kind of focusing on conversions for these sort of email campaigns. So yeah, A/B testing across the board, no matter what, landing pages, offers, sales, emails, and it's just think about it. I mean, that's how you create really high levels of success here. Every month, you're just, okay, what delivered the best results? This email did, or this sale did, or whatever it might be. Cool. Let's create 5 different versions of that. All right. And this month we're going to send those out, or we're going to use that in a marketing campaign, wherever it might be, and we're going to see which one does best. Okay, which one did best? This one? Okay, let's create 5 different versions, and you just continue that process. I mean, imagine, within a year, 6 months. I mean, it's very quick because your numbers are going to continue to improve ongoing. If they don't improve, then you're getting some very valuable data, and you're seeing what's not working, and that is extremely valuable in itself. So yeah. Always A/B testing across the board, no matter your marketing channel. As far as as far as the email marketing goes, just open up all your campaigns, all of your automation emails, and just see what's delivering the best results. And then consider how you can create different variations of that, and then continue to test ongoing. And it's as simple as that. A little bit of work involved, but that's the simplicity of it. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.